Today I'm making creamy cheesy broccoli couscous from the 5-ingredient diabetic diet cookbook for beginners. For this recipe, you need 1 cup whole wheat couscous, 2 cups broccoli. I bought the frozen stuff that you just put in the microwave and steam, and I've already steamed it. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 cup reduced fat shredded cheddar cheese, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. To start off, you're going to bring 2 cups of water to a boil on your stove. I've already started that. You can do a cup of water and a cup of broth, chicken broth, if you want to. I'm just using water because that's what's included in the recipe ingredients. Once your water is to a boil, you're going to stir in your couscous and cover. Then you're going to just remove from the heat, let set for 5 minutes. At this point, you could steam your broccoli in the microwave or on the stove, whichever way you're doing. I already steamed mine. There's my couscous. I actually had to put mine over the heat a little bit longer to get all the liquid out because I live in a humid climate and things don't always do what they're supposed to. So where you live, you might have to adjust for whatever. Next, we're just going to kind of fluff it. You can use a fork. I'm just going to use this. And we're going to stir in the olive oil. So we want 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Your nutritional facts for this are 182 calories, 8 grams of protein, 6 grams of fat, 21 carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, and 154 milligrams of sodium. And each serving is 1/2 cup. The next thing you're going to do is fold in your broccoli. So just put your broccoli in just like that. And then you're going to sprinkle your cheese just right over the top and it'll melt. You could just do this in the pot that you've made it in, but I wanted to be able to show you what it looks like. There we go. I'm going to have a taste. Ooh, it's hot. We're just going to have a taste because we're having this with dinner tonight, actually. Made sure I got some cheese, some broccoli, and some couscous in there. This is a really quick and easy side dish. There we go. That's good. I think everybody's going to like this. You can get this book on Amazon and follow along. I'll see you next time.